What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make this beef stew today. Let's get straight into it.
Onion's trying to run away. Let's slice it right in the middle. Slice that. We're going to cut the root and the stem off the onion. Put those to the side. Then you're going to chop your onion no bigger than the potatoes, but no smaller than the carrots. So like a medium-sized dice. Just make sure you do that. Make sure you do the whole onion. Don't do half. And voila. What's up guys? Now we're on the potatoes. What I'm doing here is making the sides of the potato flat, just like your mom. And we're going to cut the potato into 3/4 inch cubes. That's what we're going to do. Do the same thing to the other potato. You're going to have two. And voila. Now we're going to go to the carrots. You're going to cut those down 1/4 an inch. Even thinner, just like yours. This is what your meat's going to look like. It's going to be cubed up. You're going to throw your flour and seasonings mixture in there together. Toss it all together. I did this to save a dish, but it's going to look like this clump of mess. Throw your oil in there. Make sure you put your meat into there. Let it sear to brown on all sides. Make sure you do these in separate batches. And you're going to take them all out once you're done and put them in a pan or a bowl. And then you're going to see that? That's good right there. You're going to put in your red wine. And then you're going to put in your red wine vinegar. You're going to scrape all that good stuff off the bottom of that pan. Add your beef broth after you're done scraping. Then add your herbs. Then stir that in there. And make sure you get the edges too, because all that fond is delicious. Now add your beef back in there. Bring that to a boil and let it simmer. Cover it with a lid for 1 hour and 30 minutes until you add your veggies in. I'll cut back to you when that happens. Alright, now that it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes, throw in your onions, then your carrots, stir them baddies in there, okay? Get them nice incorporated. Then you're going to let them go for 10 minutes, pot, lid over, and then you're going to add potatoes in after that 10 minutes, and then you're going to let them sit in there for another 30 minutes. If it's a little less liquidy in there, go ahead and add some more stock. Yeah, the starch will make it thick. This is what your final product is, baby. Look at that, sexy, thick, juicy, got all the meats in there. Stir that in there a little bit. Oh, now we're gonna get a taste. Let's see what it's like. It's good. Failed attempt on the thumbs up though. See you later.